Good day, how are you? Today I want to talk of the nature of roots. Nature of roots of a quadratic equation. So now, numbers, they are grouped in a number system. We can start by having, we have complex numbers. Numbers, they are grouped in a number system. Now what do we have here? We have real numbers. So the real numbers here we have non-real numbers, or we can call them imaginary numbers. So like here, the real numbers, they can also be grouped. We want to know, are these real numbers rational or irrational? So whenever we are looking for the roots, of the equation. We have found the roots of the equation. After having the answer, we want to know if the roots, are they real or non-real numbers. We also want to know, are they rational or irrational? We also want to know if the roots are equal or unequal. So after this, how do we find that? How do we get to know if the roots are real, non-real, if they are rational, irrational, if they are equal or unequal? What do we use? We use what we call the discriminant. So what is a discriminant? This is the value which we find under the square root sign. This is the value which we find under the square root sign. So we call it delta. The discriminant, this is the value which is found under the square root sign. B squared minus 4AC. So this is our discriminant. This discriminant, we can call it delta. So this is the one which will be, this discriminant will tell us if the roots are real, non-real, rational, irrational, equal, or unequal. So from now on, we will be using this discriminant to find the nature of the roots.